Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has shown a small reaction to the upper micro support area. Here located between $208 and $214. This is exactly the support region we took a look at yesterday. Not entirely sure if it's gonna hold, you never know, but yesterday we made a small change to the microstructure here together to indicate that as long as this support area is holding, we could see another high, another extension in wave 3. Now, I have to say that this was there before, right? We just adjusted the wave count accordingly because I highlighted, well, see if this is a microstructure and this is a micro internal fourth wave, we could get one more high, but then this would be support. It's not a strong support area, it's very weak support. Again, it's between $208 and $214. I would not be surprised at all if it breaks, but then the focus will shift to that lower support area, which is located between $184 and $201. So these are the parameters I'm going to watch for over the coming sessions. Yeah, it's good that we have a reaction already to support, and it might be that we get this one more upside extension. Question is where could it take us, right? Where could it take us? So if this indeed is a fifth wave of wave C of 3, then I will highlight the relevant Fibonacci levels for you. And the next ones which are relevant are between $220 and $227. Now again, there are many ways how this can be measured because we're now on a smaller time frame here. But this is sort of an area to watch. The other way would be to take the initial 1-2 setup. We could try that as well. Do we get another Fib area there? Well, 222. This is just so that we have some levels to watch, right? These are overlapping. So yeah, 220, 222, 227 as possibly additional levels to watch above. And then we'll see if the market gets there. Possibly 227 would look quite good in terms of proportions. And then afterwards, when the market has made a new high, or if the market makes a new high, which seems somewhat likely at the moment, then we can then adjust support for the larger pullback that should follow afterwards, because then it looks quite full. And if there is another pullback afterwards, it might be a fourth wave, which I explained yesterday to you. The yellow scenario assumes that the A wave that we're working on, that we started to work on after a possible wave 4 bottomed here on the 20th of December, or presumably bottomed. The A wave could be a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But an A wave can also be a 3-wave move. So if it's a 3-wave move, this next high could complete it, and then a deeper B wave pullback would be due. But which one it is, the next pullback should give us clarity. The support area here should capture even, should hold the price even in case of a deeper B wave. But yeah, as I mentioned to you, the move up, which would be a wave 5 overall, yeah, 5th wave up. Just need to adjust it. This 5th wave is a diagonal, right? It's a diagonal, so we can take a look at the longer time frame as well. But overall, we have 2 support areas to watch. We have next upside targets. One more high seems likely. Even if not, then we can watch the lower support area here for the buyers to potentially step in. And just a reminder that I think the move up will be a bumpy ride. I mean, if Solana really bottomed in a wave 4 on the 20th of December, which is the current idea, then this move up, it could be a bumpy ride. Yeah, it could be choppy because this 5th wave up is a 3-wave move. And especially the A wave could be extremely choppy because A waves can be 5-wave movements or 3-wave movements. It can become quite complex, but overall, looks like the price is on its way to the 360 to 380 area, which is up here, yeah. And I think the next sessions, especially the New York session today, should give us some more clarity if we get one more high more directly. And overall, the trend seems to be up, and still here on the daily chart, the support area between 163 and 179 is relevant. Whether we get another low or not is not so important on the smaller time frame. That's only noise really from a daily chart perspective. It would really require a break below 163, followed by a break below 133 to indicate that a more substantial top has formed. That's currently not preferred. Yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.